Hi, early learners. Do you want to play a peekaboo game with me? Let's start.
Amazing!
Here we have four different numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, we have four different colors: blue, green, red, and yellow. Let's see who is hiding under number 1. Let's press blue button. Wow, it's an elephant. Let's see who is hiding under number 2. We need to press the green button. Wow, it's a fox. Now, let's see who is hiding behind number 3. Let's press the red triangle. Wow, it's an owl. Let's see who is hiding under number 4. We need to turn the yellow button around. Wow, it's a monkey. Thank you, early learners, for playing this game with me. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more learning videos.